It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
Ooh, bowls! Is there soup in it? Wait, why is it gooey? Ah! It's super sticky! What kind of soup is that? It's because it's not soup, Po. It's glue. Huh? Glue? Why are we going to eat glue? That's just bad. Po, we're not eating glue. Why would you even think that? Oh! Sorry, you know me, I'm always hungry. I always think something needs to be eaten. But thank goodness, this isn't one of them. So, anyway, why do we have glue in here? What are we going to do with it? There's glue here because we are going to make slime. Slime? Since when are you into arts and crafts activity, Master Shifu? I'm not, but I have a feeling that it might help us defeat the chameleon, so it's better to be ready. Oh, okay. Well, let's get started then. I want my slime to be black.
Black it is. Let's pour some black paint in here. This looks more gray than black to me, so let's add a little bit more. And more. And a tiny bit more. That should do it. Now that we have our black glue, let's turn it into a slime using our Stay Flow. Mix it up, mix it up.
Whoa, it's about to get slimy here.
Oh my goodness, this does not look very good. Let's jiggle, 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 jiggle.
My money don't jiggle, jiggle. It flows. I like the way you wiggle, wiggle. Oh, sorry. I got carried away with the beat. Carry on.
Okay, here it is. Woohoo, this is looking super slimy. See that stretch? Whoa, that looks awesome.
Now let's make it fun and add some moons, some stars. Hey, can we add some sprinkles too? And yin yang and ooh, how about some white balls?
Whoa, that's a lot of add-ons, but thankfully we have all those and more. We have sprinkles, stars, moon, yin yang, white balls. We got everything for you, Po. Sprinkle it all over. Oh, that's looking nice. And some more. Whoa! I love all the details here. Love the stars, the yin-yang circles. I see some confetti. I love the little white balls. Oh, look, there are some clear gems there too. Woo! Let's put that in there. Let's move on to Master Shifu's slime.
Since I'm a red panda, I want to make my slime red. You're a red panda? Huh? What do you think I am, Po? Oh, nothing. All this time I just thought you were a raccoon. What? A raccoon? Po? A red panda makes more sense. Red, please.
Red it is. Mix it up. Ooh, love the color already. Now to turn it into slime. Mix it up, mix it up. Whoa. There we go. Ta-da! Our red slime for our red panda is ready. Woohoo!
I still can't believe he's a red panda. I am not a raccoon.
I believe you, Master Shifu. Okay, for your slime, I want to add something that will glow in the dark. Like these polymers right here. Sprinkle all of those here. We'll add a little bit more. Ooh, looking nice. Now let's turn off the light to see how they glow. Whoa, it's definitely glowing in the dark. Now let's mix it all up. I'm not exactly sure what these are. Are these like clovers? Think so. All I know is they glow in the dark and they're pretty cool. Super slimy and stretchy. Let's put it inside. And let's close that up.
Great, now we know how to make slime if we need it. Po! Sorry, Master. I couldn't help it. I'm gonna get you. Oh, gotta go. Bye.